I down one. I down. Oh, they came and got me. I down one of them. All three of them came and got me.
You a damn liar,
So
bro.
they ain't like that. They like this Joker. Oh, what the? Oh, oh, they got glitched. Oh, they lying. I'm coming to
The
control. I'm
floor,
coming to
bottom floor.
control. Like 12 seconds.
Why you follow me like you're about to
That's
kill me?
a console.
Why you standing over there, huh? Why you pushing? Why you pushing me?
There's wait, there's not about keyboard, bro. Hold on.
Bottom, bottom. Nice. There's another one here. I don't know where the fuck he is. He's here, he's here.
Yeah.
He's on top. Another one landed.
They right here. Fuck.
Down, down, down.
They both low,
Fuck.
bro.
I picked up the wrong fucking gun.
Yeah. That's what we do.
Yo.
That's what we do, bro.
Yeah, I'm on.
Another one landed.
Alright.
Got him. Stay close to each other. Stay close to each other. Another one. On me. Yeah. Stay close, stay close. Let's go for a loadie. I'm gonna buy one. Oh shit. People coming in. People coming in hard. I'm dropping loadout on top.
Ah, fuck.
I wanna try. Oh fuck. Ain't no way. I shouldn't have go for pickup. I know it was late.
Fuck. Hey, meet me in the lobby. In the lobby.
Huh?
In the lobby.
Do you want donut? No, only one. Watch out, it's not full. Oh. Oh. Our phone. Hmm? Oh.
Oi,
Yes, I'm. I'm not good. Nee, kom je niet eens. Protect je, man. Gewoon.
Where you going?
Wat ben je Bio. Oh. Ai, man. I say bio, bro. Now, somebody just fucking carry you.
There's one at the bottom of bio.
Copy. It's on top, maybe second floor.
You have reinforcements inbound. Clear another target during contract timeline. Your squad mates are back on station. Good work.
They're over there at chemical.
Alright, let's buy our loadout. Fuck them.
Y'all need to go to the back? To the back there? Oh, y'all
Yeah,
already.
yeah, yeah. Do the back. No. Let's get back up. Oh, alright. Fuck it. Let's stay on the front one.
A little bit more. 2 grand.
Copy that. They're on top.
Hey, Purple, drop your money and grab it out. Why ain't you dropping your money? Oh, the mercy.
Alright, come on.
I
Drop
got
your
it.
money, please.
I got it.
Alright.
Yeah, I gotta get a monitor.
Why? I'm using a 65 inch.
Me too. That's exactly what mine is, 65 or something like that.
I love it though. I love it.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
It's pretty nice when you
Good
have a
topic,
good
Kim.
setting. You'll be alright. It's time for me to use some sweaty weapons, bro.
He's on the top sniping.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Copy top. Copy top. Copy top. Going up. Going to the bottom. Hey, why am I stuck in this corner, bro? This is stupid.
Stand down.
Like, I stuck on a corner of a... What the hell? You cannot even move it out. I swear I stuck on that corner. I tried to move, so I just... Ah, fuck it.
Go get off. You have reinforcements inbound. Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, fuck. No way. He come behind me, the other guy. Oh, his gun is nice. I have to make that gun. Oh. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's got to get used to this 65.
Hey, you fucking rat. Oh, that fucking gun. Everybody on his squad using it. Oh, hell no. No, 0 kills is crazy. I don't want that.
Weapons free.
I really don't like it.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. Enemy UAV overhead.
fucking hiding. Oh my god. Nice. Nice focus.
Ooh, that was a close one.
Yeah, it's a close. I almost lost that slide. That's the guy that killed me too, and I really want that kill.
Enemy UAV is online.
Damn. We're good. The cast is on us. We still have time
Oh,
to
yeah,
relax. Watch out, watch out, watch out. No push. Disable, disable, bro. Hey, they're on the bottom buy station. Bottom buy station. Go, 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 go. One down. One dead. It's fucking noble. Oh my god, I'm fucked up. Oh fucking push me together, bro. I cannot do shit. I'm still practicing. Oh, my record sucked. Yo, you got the money, but the entire squad come there. Ooh. Behind you guys. Yeah, right there. Yeah, yeah. Hey, go on, go on. You break, you break. You break, you break. What? LOL, bro. It's alright. Nice try. Let me tell you something, bro. I ain't got no time for this shit, alright? See my new emoji?
He needs physical therapy after I tear through him.
Ano ba?
Yeah, I was waiting for you, man.
Dilagsin darin ko garbage buhatin ko motor.
Ah, so, share ko ulit.
Now that you're watching, I see. You see? What? Okay, fine. There you go. You're taking this much shooting. That keep the fuck up.